Hey guys, it's Tasha. Just come to show you real quick. My son took me for dinner today, and I got a couple pieces of cornbread, some lima beans, collard greens, and a turkey wing. Now I'm going to see about this right here while y'all watch the next video. Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Yeah, I'm recording from behind the camera. Got a new setup, got a new apartment, so yeah, that's where we headed with this. I got a few things from Temu, and I just wanted to show them to you guys real quick. And these are not all crafty items. You might be able to see that thing right there. That's a crafty item, but what it's sitting on isn't. But I'm going to show you guys these things, and actually a few of these I would actually encourage you to get. Like for instance, the first thing I'm going to show you is these right here. These are like disposable washcloths. These are really, really good, guys. These right here, I got this pack from, was that Amazon? I think they were about $6. I got these from Temu. I think they were $2, $2.50 at the most. These are the exact same as these for less the price. They are as good. I've used them both side by side, thinking maybe because the Temu ones, which are these right here, which is this one, because they feel a little bit thinner, that I said, well, maybe they won't be as good a quality. Lies. These things are great. I just ordered like 2 or 3 more packs of these. So I'll be getting those. They'll be coming soon, hopefully. I ordered this thing right here. This is a eyebrow mapper. I think that's what they call it. Mapping ruler. Horizontal bead mapping. Okay, well anyway, I'm going to use this for my eyebrows. And I'm going to practice on my daughter. I haven't done brows in so long, guys. It's crazy. I am an ex-master cosmetology license holder, and I used to could do my eyebrows without a problem. I can't anymore. So I got these. I saw this thing being hyped up, not necessarily even hyped, but they're using it to do brows. Mostly for people that are getting their brows microbladed or tattooed or something. But that's not what I do. That's not what I'm going to do. I will be using these just to give me a good base for my natural brows. And hopefully I'll get back into the swing of doing my brows without a problem. This right here, y'all know about these. These go in the air fryer. I always get these. The last time I got these, I bought 3 packs. I only got 1 this time, but next month, I think I'm going to order 5 more packs. These things are great. Let me go. Hold on. I bet it's still loud, huh? And I'm sorry about the noise. But these things are awesome. I use these when I do any type of cooking or reheating or whatever in my air fryer. Less mess, easy cleanup. You just put one of these down, even with the cookies, you just put one of these down, you take the whole thing up, you don't have to do anything else to your air fryer. It's good. This thing right here, this is fused paper. It's some type of fusible paper, fusible material. And so the reason why I got it, hold on. Okay, y'all know these materials pieces or fabric squares that we get from Dollar Tree, right? And they are so thin. I wonder if I can get this off without that sticky stuff on the fabric itself. Let's see. And what I want to do is I want to create a journal with it, with this type of fabric. Like this one right here, this is all cooking. So this would be an excellent, what's that thing called? An excellent recipe journal or a recipe book, a recipe album. But this is so thin. I just like, how do you make, how does one use this type of fabric in making a journal? Especially the book cover. And the answer is this right here. It's a fusible material, and it can make any fabric, at least that's what my understanding is. You can use it to make this little thin fabric into a book cover. So that's what I'll be trying next. And I have a few dies. How many is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As if I need dies. Y'all know I don't need any more dies. You are my sunshine. This one says, you are my sunshine. And I know you can't see that. This is another hello. I think I have about 3, 4, 5 hellos. This one is that one that makes a matchbook. And the matches, the simulated matches are hearts. So I got that. It was like $1 and some change. This is North. It's still North. Knife and fork. Okay. Ish. Okay. This is a knife, spoon, and fork. And I got 2 smaller ones of these. And I wanted the bigger ones. Why? I'm going to try them out just because. That's why I got them. And this right here is actually kind of a disappointment for me, but I realize it should be this way. I think because I was hoping it would be bigger, but if it was bigger, it wouldn't fit on your standard card. So for that reason, I think it's cute, but it's going to be kind of interesting if you're trying to put faces in those little squares. That's going to be a kicker. And the last thing, guys, is this right here. This is a lip balm holder purse. That's the only reason why I got it, because it's a lip balm holder and it's a purse. Right now I'm going through my purse thing. I don't know why, I just am. So that's it for the haul. But one thing that I am going to be doing, guys, I was talking to a dear friend of mine, Miss Paulette, and I was telling her I got all these dies, right? You guys know I got dies. Dies, and more dies. And I was thinking of telling her, I told her that, I want to, do a video or do videos of me just trying dies, because I have so many. I haven't tried a lot of my dies. I think I may have done 2%, maybe 5% at the most, cutting of using my dies to cut anything. So I had told her I was thinking about doing some type of die series. And she goes, oh yeah, 100 dies, 100 dies, 100 days or something like that. And I'm like, that's cool. And see, I was thinking more like for the whole year, but I'm thinking for me and the way that I behave, that year is just too advantageous. So I'm thinking 100 dies in 100 days. But the thing is, I don't know if I want to do it on the weekend, because y'all know I can't really decorate stuff. And then I might ask you guys how to decorate this particular something, and then y'all give me suggestions, and then maybe on a Saturday or a Sunday I could take your suggestions and get them done, and then that can be a video. Let me know what you think. Alright, so that should be it. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, little bugs.